The Moto Edge 60 series already includes the Moto Edge 60, Moto Edge 60 Pro, Moto Edge 60 Stylus, and Moto Edge 60 Fusion. Now, it will be joined by a new model in China called the Moto Edge 60s. Motorola Edge 60s is launching on May 8th, official commercial released. The Moto Edge 60s looks like the Moto Edge 60 with its quad curve design, Pantone colors, and textured back. It also shares some of its specifications with the Edge 60. The Moto Edge 60s will be available in Polar Rose, Glacier Mint, and Misty Iris. The device will have an IP68/69 rated chassis that measures 8.2 mm in thickness and weighs 190 grams. The Motorola Edge 60s is expected to feature a 6.7-inch POLED curve edge panel that offers a 1.5K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The Edge 60s will feature a 32-megapixel camera for selfies. On the back, it may feature a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700C primary camera with OIS support and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens with macro shooting capabilities. The device will feature the Dimensity 7400 chip, also have 12 GB of RAM and the option of 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.